Here they manufacture processed wood called superwood. The chair you're sitting on or the table nearby may be made from products that come from here. This plant is driven by wood processing machine operators. They fulfill different functions in the production process. Most of these employees have trained on site. Some have also attended short courses. The process of making superwood begins here in the woodyard. The bell driver loads eucalyptus logs onto the infeeder, which moves them to the wood chipper. The wood chipper cuts the logs into small chips. The chipper operator and his assistant monitor its load and check that there is no metal or skew logs entering the wood chipper. The refiner operator and his assistant are responsible for the next 6 processes. They check monitors to ensure all the processes run smoothly and according to the specifications required. If there's a problem, they need to adjust the settings. Their job begins when the wood chips go into the chip washer. This is like a tumble dryer that removes sand, grit, and small particles. You can see that the process, so far, is like preparing vegetables for cooking. The large ingredients, the logs, have been chopped up and washed. The digester now cooks them with steam and pressure, this softening them so they can be broken down into fibers. The refiner breaks down the wood into fibers similar in size to sawdust. In the glue kitchen, resin, ammonium sulfate, water and wax are piped into the fibers. Resin hardens the fibers and ammonium sulfate hardens the resin. Wax is added to make superwood resistant to water. The huge solid logs have become tiny fibers that can travel through this narrow pipe, the blowpipe, to the dryer and the wind sifter, where air removes any heavy particles. The press operator now operates the next 7 processes, checking and adjusting via monitors. The fiber now moves to the forming station where it is stored. From here, it goes to the spreader, which forms a mat of medium density fireboard, MDF. The prepress uses pressure to reduce the mat from about 1 meter thick to just 30 millimeters. The press uses both pressure and heat to reduce it further, and the heat makes the resin glue the fibers together. Finally, logs have been transformed into flat boards. Unlike natural wood, superwood does not warp. Its smooth surface is easy to paint. It can also be easily cut, drilled and glued without damaging the surface.